if I'm having around 1000 data in my database, how we can able to send only the minimum chunk of data to the UI. As you can see here in my screen, right, I am having a table called user. In this table I am having around 100 users. Okay, so instead of sending all the 100 users to the UI, I can split the data into 10 by 10, and that data alone we can able to send the data to the UI. For example, to do that, this logic can be implemented in UI or backend or database. So now I am going to show how to use this in a database. So in this scenario, I'm going to use the keyword called limit. So in the limit, I need to mention starting position and how many data. Okay, this is first scenario. So I am mentioning starting position is 0, and then the total data which I'm expecting from the database is about 10 actually. Okay, so for this scenario, so now if I'm executing this query, as you can see here, even though I am having 100 data, I can see only the first 10 data. Okay, so if I want to see next 10 data, then I need to provide the next 10 here, the next starting position and how many data from that position. So this is a starting position of the data and how many data that I want to get it. So if I get it, as you can see here, the next 10 data will be shown in the query. In case if that next set, the third set means I need to mention the 20. So which means from the position of 20, the next 10 data. So if I write this, then as you can see here, instead of sending all the data to the UI, I can split the data into 10 by 10 and I can able to send it to the UI. So this means now the page loading will be very fast. Instead of showing everything all dump all the data into the UI, we can split the data to the UI, and also the load will be very faster. Specifically, this implementation will be useful in mobile applications, because in the mobile applications we can see only the minimum, due to the internet connection and all these things, we can see only the limited data, right? So for this scenario, we can go with this type of implementation section. Okay guys, so if you have any questions or any queries related with programming, post in the comments, we will help you. Thank you.